Welcome to Operations with Surds. So firstly, we've had a little bit of a look at surds, but since surds are numbers, we can add, subtract, multiply or divide. They're a bit like algebra. You can add or subtract like surds, and we'll look at what a like surd is. And when multiplying, you multiply the whole numbers in front of the surd, and then you multiply the surd parts together. And you do similar for dividing, you just divide each part. So let's have a look at what like surds are. So like surds mean underneath the square root, if it's exactly the same, then we call them like surds. And it's just the square root part we focus on. So is square root of 2 and 3 square root 2. So we're going to use the word surd. So is surd 2 and 3 surd 2, are they the same? The second one, surd 2 and surd 3. And the third one, 3 surd 5 and 5 surd 3. So the first one, they are both like surds because they both had the surd 2 part. The second one, they're not like surds because one's surd 2 and the other's surd 3. So their square root part or their surd parts are not exactly the same. And the third one has surd 5 and the other has surd 3, so they're not like surds either. So we can collect like surds by adding or subtracting, but only adding and subtracting the surd part. So the first one, 2 surd 3 plus 5 surd 3. The second one, 4 surd 2 plus surd 2. And the final one, 3 surd 7 minus surd 5 minus 2 surd 7 plus 4 surd 5. So let's take the first one into consideration. So remember, it's like algebra. If I have 2 surd 3s and I add 5 surd 3s, I then have 7 surd 3s. So they are like surds because they both got the surd 3, and I have a total of 7 surd 3s there. With the second one, I've got 4 surd 2s, and I'm adding another surd 2. So it's like a 1 surd 2. So I've got 4 and add another one, that gives me 5 surd 2s. With the third example, the 3 surd 7 and the minus 4 surd 7, they're the like surds. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1 or just minus surd 7. And then the other like surds are the minus surd 5 plus 4 surd 5. And that gives me 3 surd 5. So I get minus surd 7 plus 3 surd 5. Now let's have a look at multiplying, dividing, and using the combination when we expand brackets. So we're going to simplify surd 10 times surd 3, 2 surd 5 times surd 7, 6 surd 22 divided by 2 surd 11, and then we're going to expand the bracket 2 surd 3 times, and then inside the brackets 3 surd 2 minus 2 surd 5. Now a reminder, at the start of the video I said that when you multiply the surd parts and you multiply the numbers that are out the front of the surds. And the same with division. So the first one, surd 10 times surd 3. So we multiply the surd part together. 10 times 3 is 30, so surd 30. In the second one, so we're going to multiply the numbers that are out the front first. So the first one's got a 2, the second one's got an imaginary 1. So 2 times 1 gives us the 2. Then we multiply the surd parts. Surd 5 times surd 7 is surd 35, as 5 7s are 35. Dividing, so we do the same, we just divide them. So let's start with the whole numbers out the front of the surds. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and then focus on the surd part. Surd 22 divided by surd 11 is surd 2. Final one, we expand. So remember, when you expand, you multiply whatever's out the front or attached to the bracket by everything that's on the inside. So 2 surd 3 times 3 surd 2 times the whole numbers first out the front. 2 3s are 6. Then times the surd parts. Surd 3 times 2, or surd 2 is surd 6. So you get 6 surd 6. Expanding the second one, so you've got a minus, so let's put the minus down. Multiply the whole numbers out the front. 2 2s are 4. Then multiply the surds. 3 5s are 15. Giving us an answer of 6 surd 6 minus 4 surd 15. Thank you.